I'm going to explore one of the trails near me. There's a Hasting Napier highway at the back. This trail is like 5 minutes away from my home. Some apple trees on our right hand side. You can see beautiful. Some bulls or cows having rest. Oh, I don't want to disturb them. Starting to get up. Have a good sleep. This river ride getting connected to the dog park. There's actually start from the other side, the Clive, Hasting Clive Road. I will check this out a little bit. I will explore this road first, this ride first, then we will go to this dog park. This was the Hasting Napier bridge. Now it's closed. They made the new one over there. Now it's open to walking, I think cycling as well. Let's jump on that bridge on the way back. Let's explore this trail a little bit more. This is pretty fun, really happy. It's just amazing how you feel on a bike. Buy a bike. It will keep you happy for life. That's the 100k highway. We on a off-road 4x4. Oh. 4x4 track to the river. Let's do a bunny hop. Next time I will park the car over here and finish the trail off. Let's explore that bridge. So this is the bridge. The cars used to do 100k's on it. Now it's for walking and cycling. There's a beautiful river under the bridge, flowing all the way through their road. Crazy good. I don't know, I should ride in the dog park because dogs and cyclists don't really get along. There's a couple of dogs who were chasing me over there near that river just before I didn't move, and then they stopped barking and the owners came along. Yeah, a little bit scary. Two dogs barking at you. I'm deciding to go through the dog park anyway. We'll see. Not gonna lie, it's scariest feeling riding through dog park. I love these trees. The branches like falls down. It's just beautiful. You know what? Timara Peak is closed for today and tomorrow. There's a fire risk. It's 35 degrees tomorrow or 37, I think. There's a fire risk. So they closed down Timara Peak. So our bike ride is finished. Now we will do a motorbike ride with Andy and Fabian on Puki Tapu Loop. I don't know how to drink water with this fucking bag. See you.